Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing an exciting unboxing of a different brand. So as you can see, my love is for Louis Vuitton LV items, especially in the past half year. Majority of my unboxings have been for the LV X Murakami collab, and also La Bubu and Pop Mart unboxings are my favorite. Today we'll be doing a different brand unboxing. It is the brand Hermes, and I have posted another video of me unboxing Hermes before, but it's not a typical brand that I'm drawn to, but I was very drawn to this item for several months now, and it's been on my mind. And last Sunday in Hong Kong there was a Typhoon 10, and yeah, basically I woke up, and when it's a Typhoon 10 or 8 and above, it's not recommended to go outside your home, so you're recommended to stay inside the house. And because of that, I went online, decided to check this Hermes website out and see if this item was there, and surprisingly it was available. So I bit the bullet and went for it. So enough of the talking, let me just open this orange box right now. Okay. Let's see. Not easy to unbox, so I this box. Let me perhaps start pulling from here. So we have the typical Hermes orange bag and the box. Let me move it around here so you can see. Actually, because of the flap, I'll just leave it like this. But there is that message there in the box. And then, this kind of came it was just a sample item of the Rouge Hermes matte lipstick. And then we have, it's packed pretty tight. Let's see if there's a way of, okay. So it's empty. I guess you could have left a message when you were purchasing, I think, if you marked this as a gift, but I didn't write anything on the card or sales invoice. So it's here. I won't be showing that because I wanted to keep it. Just to quickly take a look. Okay. This away. There's a separate card. It's a certificate. Okay. That's the perfume sample. I'm just gonna put this box away so we could make some space. Okay, so here we have the Hermes orange box. just gonna take the ribbon off from below so not to pull on the string. I like to keep everything as nice as possible. Semi-collector here. Okay. So here we have the Farandole long necklace, 120 cm, which is the middle size. I believe the shortest necklace is 80 cm, and the longest one is 160, and this is the 120. I've been seeing a number of YouTubers and friends wear it and double layer it, and it's like a perfect length, the mid-size one. So here it says Hermes Cellier. Okay, I might remove this off camera because it seems pretty stuck on right now. But this is the full length with the wrapper removed. And as we can see, there's the, don't remember how you say the name of this, but there are larger ones and then like a smaller ones. When you layer it, it's just like a perfect fit. So I actually have the matching ring. I just recently cleaned it because they do tend to tarnish a bit. If you wear it more often, then it does keep like it's silver, but sometimes if you leave it out for a while too long, then it can tarnish. And I use like a silver cleaner, Connoisseur, is that the brand? I don't remember, but yeah, from time to time I'll put in that to clean the silver. So this is silver, and I'll put the price on the top right corner here. But yes, just wanted to show everyone my new double layer. I mean, you could wear this as one, but it's quite long. It probably like goes all the way down, I think even to my across the belly button. So I'll probably be wearing this as like a double layer necklace. But yeah, let me put this back on here and then do like a close-up. So it looks something like this on the neck. So thank you for watching my unboxing today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you like these type of unboxings, please do subscribe. It will really help with my algorithm. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm at, I think, in my low 900s now. So yeah, click that subscribe button and even turn on that notification bell to be notified next of my next video. I think it will be my Labubu dressing up as GD, or yeah, I have a number of videos recorded but I haven't had time to edit. Thanks for dropping by to watch this, and have a great day everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.